Hello guys, and welcome back to my Davinci Resolve masterclass. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create compound clips in Davinci Resolve. The compound clip is a fantastic way to keep your timeline organized, especially in complex projects. To create a compound clip, start by highlighting the clips you want to organize in your timeline and right-click on the highlighted clip. Scroll up and select New Compound Clip and give this clip a name and hit Create. And as you can see over here, a single compound clip has been created on our timeline over here. Now all the selected clips are grouped into one single compound clip on your timeline. To edit the individual clips inside the compound clip, all you need to do is to right-click on the compound clip and scroll up and select Open in Timeline. And over here, you can edit these clips individually. To return to your main timeline, scroll up and click on the Timeline tab at the top of the timeline area. If you no longer need the compound clip and wish to break it apart, simply right-click on the compound clip and select Decompose in place using clips only.